Hello, how to solve x times x equals 27 divided by 8, solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So x times x is x power 2 times x. This is x power 3 equals 27 divided by 8. Now, we can express 27 in terms of the exponent of 3, and also we can express 8 in terms of exponents of 3. Of x power 3 equals 27 is 3 to the power of 3 divided by this is 2 to the power of 3. So if you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b raised to the power of c. So we apply the same thing right here. We have x power 3 equals 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. So we move this over here. And what we are going to have is x power 3 minus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3. And this equals 0. So from here, we have power 3, we have power 3, we have a power 3 minus b power 3. This equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, my a is x and my b is 3 divided by 2. So right now, I'm going to make use of this identity. So we have x minus 3 over 2 times 6x squared plus x times 3 over 2 plus this is 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So from here, I have x minus 3 over 2 times x squared plus x times 3, that is 3x divided by 2, plus I can distribute this to each of the terms here. I have 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 2, and this equals 0. So from here, I have x minus 3 over 2 times, this is x squared, plus 3x divided by 2, plus this will be 9 divided by 4, and this equals 0. So from here, I will equate each of these to 0. I have x minus 3 over 2 equals 0. I also have x squared plus 3x over 2 plus 9 divided by 4 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. For this one here, I will move this over here. I will have x equals 3 over 2. This is my x1. I can also solve this one here. I have x squared plus 3x over 2 plus 9 over 4 equals 0. Let's start by finding the common LCM. And from this, the common LCM is 4. 4 divides 1, 4 times x squared. This is 4x squared 4 plus 4 divides 2 times 3x. This is 6x plus 4 divides 4, 1 times 9. This equals 0. And this is our 1. So we cross multiply. This 4 multiplies 0. And this multiplies 1. So from here, I have 4x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 4 times 0, I have 0. So we are going to solve this quadratic equation and find the other values of x. So let's solve this using the formula method. We have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So right now, I have a equals 4, which is the coefficient of x squared, b equals 6, which is the coefficient of x, and c equals 9, which is the constant here. So from here, we have x equals negative b, that's negative 6 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is 6 power 2 minus 4 times a is 4 times c is 9, divided by 2 times a is 4, right? So from here, I have x equal this is negative 6 plus or minus square root of this is 36 minus this is 144 divided by 8. So from here, have x equals -6 plus or minus. So we have square root of now 144 minus 36. This will give us 108 divided by 8. So from here, we can easily, and this is minus 108. This is non-positive. So from here, we have x equals -6 plus or minus is minus here. Square root of -1 times square root of 108 divided by 8. So from here, have x is negative x plus or minus. Square root of -1 here is I. So this is I times square root of 108 and express it as 36 times 3 divided by 8. So from here, have x equals -6 plus or minus I times this is square root of 36 times square root of 3 divided by 8. So from here, I will simply have x is -6 plus or minus I times square root of 36. That is 6 times root 3 divided by 8. So what happens here is that 2 divides this 3 divided this 4. So this is just like writing -3 plus or minus I times 3 with 3 divided by 4. So what I can do will be to factor out 3 over 4 from here at x equals 3 over 4 of -1 plus or minus I times root 3. Right? We have two complex values for x. I have x2 equals 3 over 4 of -1 plus I root 3. And I have x3 is 3 over 4 of -1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex values for x. We also have one real value for x, which is this 3 over 2 here, which we are going to insert into this equation here. So let's check. Have x equals 3 over 2. So we have x times x equals 27 divided by 8. And x equals 3 over 2, meaning 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 27 divided by 8. So from here, I will multiply this numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3. This is 27 divided by 2 times 2. 4 times 2. This is 8, and this equals 27 divided by 8. Left hand side, right hand side are the same. So guys, this is how we actually solve this. I believe you have seen it and you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.